you guys, so we're here. I'm new to YouTube. My name is Lovely and Coco. We're gonna do a quick eyebrow tutorial so you guys can see how I do my eyebrows every day. I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Polmade. Right now I'm actually using another one of her products. It is an eyebrow, I believe it's like an eyebrow mascara kind of pomade. I'll get back to you and let you know exactly what that is. But right now I'm just filling in my eyebrows, evening out the hairs, making sure everything looks nice and uniform before I go in and use that pomade. Now before I did this video, I did clean up my eyebrows, I did clean up my eyebrows to make sure everything was aligned and looking good. So what I'm going to do is let you guys watch what I'm doing, and I'll check in with you and kind of give you step by step on how I'm doing my eyebrows. So don't mind me right here, you guys. I just realized my lips were dry and decided to put on some lip oils. Alrighty, y'all. Well, I'll check back in a second. So right here is actually where I'm using the Anastasia pomade. That's what that was I just showed you. I'm just taking a small angled brush. This one is not a specific one. It's one I got in a random kit. But I'm just using a small angled brush to get that line at the bottom. And then you'll see that I'll go back in at the top, create my second line, and then I'll fill it in. And then I'll do the same thing on the other eyebrow. And I will come back and give you guys the rest of the step-by-steps once I get there. Alrighty. Alright, so right here I'm just filling in the other eyebrows. I said one thing I will say about eyebrows is it's probably the longest process when I do my makeup every day, because I am a perfectionist when it comes to my eyebrows. I like for it to look a certain way, so for me I just take my time and I do it slowly. So hopefully this video isn't boring for you guys, but that's the reason why it's a little longer, just for the eyebrows, because I like to make sure that I get all those strokes and make it look more like hair, even though I like mine a little more filled in than a lot of people. So alright, I hope you guys are still enjoying the video. So right here I'm using my spoolie just to go in and distribute that product evenly throughout the front of my eyebrows. This is the part that I like to look gradient, like to make sure that it looks lighter than the rest of my eyebrows so that it doesn't look like I penciled it in. I like for it to look like hair. And so if you just go in and evenly distribute that product, it actually will help make that a lot lighter, make it look a lot more natural. So after I do that with the spoolie, I come back in. I like to use my liquid liner. I don't know what brand that is. That is not like an Anastasia brand liquid liner. It's one I got out of a one of those subscription boxes, but it works great. But it's like a gel liner. I use it at the very tip just to make it look nice, black, sharp, and uniform. And it makes it look great. It makes it look really sharp, and it helps when I go back and put my concealer on to make everything look really, really good and stand out. So right now I'm just making sure that that's even, that it's not too bold right there where I first put it, just kind of distributing that all the way through. And then I'm going to do it on the other eye as well. I'll be back once I move on to the next step. here what I'm doing is with my concealer. This is my MAC concealer and then my Morphe concealer. I'm going in with those and I'm going to outline my eyebrows. I like to mix those because one is a little bit, the MAC is a little bit more of a pinky color and the Morphe is a little bit more of a yellow color. I have a mix of both, as you can see. But as well, the other thing is the Morphe dries super fast, it's super matte, and it's like I said, it's super drying. But the MAC is a little bit more diluted, a little more moisturizing, quote unquote. But if I mix them together, they make the perfect consistency for underneath my eyebrows. So right now I'm just going to go in and do both of my eyebrows, make sure that they look good and even. If I miss any spots with the liner or the pomade, I'll go back and fill that in, and then I will do the top of my eyebrows. Alright, you guys keep enjoying. I'll be back. So right there is where I was showing you I missed a little spot with the liner. You can kind of see it. So I was just letting you know that's where I'm going to fill it in at. And then once I'm done filling it in, I'm going to go back in with my concealer and I'm going to fix the line underneath my eyebrow. So right here, what I'm going to do is go in with my MAC foundation on the top. This foundation is a little lighter than my skin complexion. I still like to use something a little bit lighter. It's just my personal preference. It just highlights my eyebrows. But I'm going to go back in on the top and I'm just going to align both the eyebrows at the very top to make sure that they're nice and straight. And then once I do that, that will be pretty much the end of the video. Alrighty, so I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and enjoy. At the very end, I will show you my end result. I did not go through the whole makeup tutorial on here. I will post a video of that whole look later, but you will get to see the end result at the very end. And this was my red look day, so it was a very bright look. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you again next time.